How to change brightness in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the brightness. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can select any of the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on one. Now simply double tap on this interface. Here, you'll be able to see different tools available now. Here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Tap on this AA icon. Here, there are different fonts, layout, and themes available. Simply select on themes. Now here on the bottom you can see this brightness icon. So here you can increase or decrease the brightness. Here there is a slider that is available, so you can adjust it accordingly. Here on the right hand side you can even see auto button. You can even tap on this auto button, so it will automatically adjust itself, and if you go back, it's all set now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.